Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set dynamic wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply open your settings, scroll down, click on wallpaper and style, change wallpaper, then showing you to more option. Select dynamic lock screen and you need to just download some images. Minimum 3 images need to download. Okay, and make sure to turn on, click on to download. Okay, when it's download, now it's automatically set up. Now I'm checking, so now change, and again now change another, and again now change another. So that's it.